Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a really useful feature on Wix, how to automatically send a file after someone submits a form on your site. If you're using Ascend by Wix, this can be a huge time saver. Whether you need to deliver a PDF, a helpful guide, or any other kind of resource to your visitors right after they complete your form. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set this up, add your contact email, and make sure your users get the file they're looking for seamlessly. So, let's jump right in. First things first, let's head over to your Wix web design dashboard. If you're new to Wix, this is the main hub where you customize your website, manage settings, and tweak different features. You'll want to start here because this is where your forms live, the ones you use to collect info from your visitors. Take a moment to double-check you're logged into your Wix account and you've opened the site you want to work on. Next up, find the form you want to edit. Most people place their main forms right on their homepage or on a dedicated contact or sign-up page. Go ahead and click on your form. Don't worry if it's buried in a section. Just scroll through until you see it. Once you've located it, hit the Edit Form button. This opens up the form editor where you can tweak everything from the fields people fill out to what happens after they submit the form. It's a good habit to always check which form you're working on, especially if you have several on different pages. You don't want to accidentally edit the wrong one. Now let's move into the settings. At the top or side of your edit panel, you'll see an option for settings. This is where all the magic happens after someone submits the form. Inside settings, look for notification and submission. This section controls what occurs when someone completes your form. Things like sending notifications, automating emails, or processing entries. Click into that. If you're not seeing this instantly, sometimes it might be under another tab or labeled slightly differently depending on which version of Wix you're using, but don't stress, it's usually pretty easy to find, and you can always hover over the icons for a quick hint. Here's the important part. Within notification and submission, you'll see an option called Send to Email. This is the handy feature that allows you to automatically send your file to whoever you want. Go ahead and click on Send to Email. This may take a few moments, especially if your site is loading a lot of data. Once you're in, you'll see a spot to add your contact email. Type in the email address you want those files to go to. Maybe your own, a team member's, or even a dedicated info mailbox. You're not just setting up a way to get notified. This ensures the file you've attached gets sent out right away, creating a faster experience for your site visitors. If you ever wonder, why am I entering my contact email here? It's all about making communication smooth and giving your visitors what they need instantly after the submit. It's like handing someone a flyer as soon as they walk out of a store. It's personal, direct, and leaves a good impression. And that's it. You've set up your Wix form to deliver files with Ascend by Wix, turning your form submissions into instant, automated resource sharing. If any part takes a minute to load, or you're unsure where something's hiding, take your time. It's pretty intuitive once you poke around a little. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into any snags with your Wix forms, just drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials on making the most out of your website. See you in the next video.